Overpowered and undetected scripts for the new update. They require no key. First link in the description will take you right here. So select what script you want to use. For example, we're going to use SpeedUpX in this video. So we're going to click on this. Once on the post, scroll down. And you can see the script. Alright guys, I'm in the game. I have both of the scripts executed, as you can see. These have a lot of features and you should be able to do everything you want. Guys, I've enabled everything and look how fast this is. But yeah, there's more features. There's teleports, you can auto-buy stuff.
You can automatically do the treasure map. You can auto-sell, so sell all fish. And there we go, you just sold everything. And you can even do the events here, the totems. Yeah, a lot of good stuff. There's also player hits, which is low player. So you can get speed.
Yeah guys, this UI is pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah guys, Post has the essential features. If you need more, get SpeedUpX. This has a lot of features, as you can see by all the tabs.
So you already know guys, main is for auto farming. And if you click on any of them, it will drop down. But you can auto farm all these things. There's automatically, there's inventory, shop, quests, teleports, webhooks. And yeah guys, this UI is like OP as hell and it always gets updated.
Let me show you the auto farm for SpeedUpX as well. So let me enable all of these and auto equip rod. And there we go. This one's hella fast as well. It's going crazy. There we go. But yeah guys, you can leave this auto farm and you're gonna come back, be hella rich. Also guys, this is completely safe. And if you're still scared, just join a server with low amount of players or a private server and you're gonna be completely safe. But yeah guys, this auto farm is OP. Are you seeing this? Guys, if you think these scripts are OP, drop a like and subscribe.